If you're experiencing crashes while playing Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you configure your settings for a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the most recent drivers can fix compatibility issues and improve game performance. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Battle.net, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve crashing issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to see if that resolves the crashing. Start with settings like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can decrease the load on your system and help stabilize the game. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume system resources. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can interfere with performance. Use the task manager to end these processes before launching the game. Step 5. Check system requirements. Make sure your system meets the minimum requirements to run Call of Duty. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components like RAM, CPU, or GPU to improve performance and reduce crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Call of Duty. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.